welcome back to my channel. Do you know this fruit? It's karamay, my favorite childhood fruit. Ayan, kain tayo ng karamay. Ay, I'm so excited. I haven't eaten this for 30 years or more than 30 years. The last time I ate this was when I was in, I think, elementary. Then when I had a vacation, I forgot this fruit. Oh my gosh. Now I can have it. Let's eat, guys. Naartem akaramay. Yum, yum, yum. Yan. Mas ne. Gimas. Very excited na makaka-anti karamay. Tani, tani. Yum. Fresh from the Philippines. My friend gave to me, my best friend. Yum. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. Ay, ganyan lang. Yan ne. Nagimas ne. Nagimas. Nagimas.